Hi everybody, Chieftronic G1 is just in front of you, and today it's a great honor and pleasure for me to introduce that new Chieftek brand and their very first PC case, again, Chieftronic G1. There is no need to talk about quality of Chieftek products, so be sure that quality and amazing look of Chieftronic G1 will buy you before
you turn this video off, grab your money and run to purchase this PC case.
Fast as light. It is a gaming ATX tower case with great possibility to make it unique and arrange parts of the case in several different ways. So even if someone has the same Chieftronic G1 like you, it can look completely different. Now we can take a look on specifications. Front panel has two ARGB strips and also two vertical ventilation slits with dust filters. Another dust filter is at the bottom, and it's good if you mount some fans or radiator there. As you can see, it has tempered glass side panel, which looks amazing, and just like the rest of the case, it has some premium look and gives a feeling of
much
more expensive case. At the top there is just I/O panel, because below that is a tunnel reserved for PSU, tons of cables and also some drives if you want. For this particular build, I'm using new RGB PSU from Chieftek, Photon Gold Series GDP 750C RGB. More about this beautiful power supply is in my other review, so you can check it on my channel. In tunnel, there is a space for two 3.5 drives, or one 3.5 and one 2.5 SSD. Also, this storage cage is removable, and without it you can get more free space for cables. On the back side there is a space for 4 more 2.5 drives. Also, there is an RGB control hub and you can mount it wherever you want without tools, because of magnet which is placed inside the hub. It has 6 6-pin fan connectors, 2 3-pin RGB connectors, 2 buttons for fan speed adjustment, and 1 color mode switch. There is also remote control if you want to control color and speed even 10 meters away from your PC. With Chieftronic G1 you will also get one rear ARGB fan, and if you want to make your airflow better, you can buy Tornado fan set from Chieftek. Now you can see where you can mount your optional cooling. One more thing is the rubberized GPU holder, which is great for long graphics cards, just like mine. For perfect cable management there are very good positioned holes. 3 of these are rubberized, and also a lot of hooks for zip ties. Also, there is no need to clean this PC case after every touch, because it's pretty fingerprint proof. The important thing is that I'm using this power supply for more than 1 month for test purpose, and I was wondering, is this high PSU position in PC case just for aesthetic or it has some other function? As you can see, people from Chieftek have made a very good choice when they put PSU tunnel at the top, because there is no any dust on power supply after more than 1 month of using. That's it. I hope you like this amazing PC case, so leave a like, a comment down below. My name is John Bain. Oh, I just wanted to say that I finally found my dream PC case. Definitely G1 is my favorite PC case ever, and I am so excited to mod it and make it more unique in some of my next videos.